Your girl Jazzy and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my wallpaper. Now before I get into the video, hit that subscribe button to join the squad and turn on that notification bell. And without further ado, let's begin. So the app I use to make my wallpaper is Pic Collage. So the first thing I do when I open the app is I hit freestyle, which is like the first thing on here. So then I hit layout, which is at the bottom, because as soon as you open it up, freestyle, it gives you a whole bunch of selections down from the bottom. So go layout and size, and then we pick wallpaper. Now I don't have a background yet, so I'm gonna go onto Pinterest. It's just I was watching The Simpsons before I started this video on my phone, and I pick out what type of wallpaper I want. I think I'm gonna do a X-Men Storm inspired wallpaper, so I think I'll do, let's get an aesthetic wallpaper that's blue. Let's see. Okay, so I think I'll use this one. It's got Billie Eilish on there. Yeah, we'll use this one, and then download image. Now technically it doesn't matter if you use a what's the name of that type of wallpaper? Okay, I forgot the name of it, but it's a certain type of paper. A certain type of image where it's a certain color. After you can change the color of it. I don't know what it's called. I'm doing a horrible job of explaining it. So the next thing I'm gonna look up is Storm, if I can spell right. And I'm not looking for like this type of storm, so thank God the first thing up there was X-Men, and they have a bunch of ones up here. I could choose to use Holly Berry's storm, but I like the one that plays Storm in Dark Phoenix. So let's see if, I don't think they really have a lot of pictures for her except for that one. I think everybody's like more into Holly Berry. So let's see, let's look for some good pictures. Use this one, makes her look very serious. And so I'll be using at least about 2 pictures of her like this, but use different ones, obviously. Okay, download that image. And then we want one of her with her powers, so let's see what we can see. So that one. And then we just go to, go back, we'll go to the search history bar. Then we'll just hit in aesthetic quotes, because, actually, hold up, we'll do, let's see. Do this one instead. See how, and now just putting in that particular term or search word, I get a lot of good ones for this one. It's like this storms will last forever. Love it. We're using that one. And we'll need another one. See, what's this one say? Let's see if they have any quotes that Storm said from any of the X-Men movies. So I'll do X-Men Storm quotes. They really don't. She had a lot of good quotes. There aren't really a lot of quotes for her like that. Well, okay, now just goes, since I can't find any for that one, we'll do aesthetic again. And then we want blue particularly. Stupid. Okay, my phone is so like messed up at the moment. I'll do that one. And then this one. Okay, and I think I got about enough. I'll get like one more just in case, but typically for my wallpapers, I'll use around 5 to 8 images. And this one. So this would be the last one I use. Then go back, open up Pinterest, and let me go ahead and set the background, which we chose. Well, I chose this one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the photos that I'll be using, which is these right here. And we're gonna change the border picture thing, which is this thing right here. Oh, look, for this one, you just click on the image and a little pencil thing will show up, and then you tap that and you get the selections here. But we're going to change the border because I don't want that to be orange. I'm going to do, let's see, probably a darker blue, maybe, no, this color. And then I go ahead and I set the images. So I'm going to move it around a little bit. And then, let's see, we'll just put this one up here. Set it a little bit. And then set that one like that. Move this one up here, that's where I'll set that one at. And this one will go down here. And that one like that. Just move that over, lift that up a little bit more. And